So what I've got here is the PDMAX Thunderbolt 4 cable. It says send simultaneous power, data, and high definition video with a single passive cable. It's USB-C on both ends. So it says it can do up to 8K video, 40 gigabits per second speed, and 240 watts for more power. If you want to have a closer look at the specs, you can pause it right there. I'll go ahead and open this up. So in the box, of course, it came with the user manual and the Thunderbolt cable itself. Nice and thick cable, kind of a braided finish on there. It's 2.6 feet long, and I'll have a closer look at one of the ends here. So it says PDMAX on the end, and we'll pull that off. So USB-C on both ends, just like that. And I'll pull off these tabs. So that's a really nice heavy duty Thunderbolt 4 cable. Again, it's 2.6 feet long and it does the 240 watt charging. Great for charging things like your MacBook Pro or powering docking stations or even charging your compatible Windows devices and many other items as well. So nice little cable there. And this again does the 40 gigabit per second data and video transfer. It supports up to 8K resolution and it's got USB 4 and 3.2 standard. So it's got future-proof connectivity as well. And again, that's the PDMAX Thunderbolt 4 USB-C to USB-C cable.